大家好 ，Hello everybody，我是 Dr. Low，I am Dr. Low。现在 now，老师 will guide you on the techniques to answer the questions for. Okay, the Mandarin terms is very difficult. You see how 老师 read? 主词成句，词 means that vocabulary. 句 is a sentence. So use the vocabulary to form a sentence. So in English, we say rearranging words, or in Malay, Susun Ayat. Okay, so now here Lao Shi also has prepared 5 sets. So Lao Shi will go through with you only 1 set. Okay, other sets you have to watch the teaching videos. Okay, 好的. So the first set, okay, let us see. Lao Shi make it big here. Okay, what Lao Shi try to help you is like that. You see, here, in exam, you'll get all this in black, okay? But actually, if you are familiar with your content of your textbook, you should be able to try to match them. You need to do matching first. So for example, now Lao Shi put for you different color. Okay, see the answer first. Okay, here, Lao Shi make it. 阿尼斯的先生有 This is one part. And this is the subject. Subject. Throughout all the subject and the timing, you see, Betty 的姐姐，把阿丽的儿子 and then 今年 all the people and the timing, 老师 put in green. Okay? And then you'll notice that all the predicate, okay, if they involve place, 老师 put all in orange. Place. If after the place, okay, here place, okay, you see they are after place and activity. Okay, you need to know that, students, some sentences you have all elements, people, timing, place, and activities. This is a complete one. But some sentences you may not have to say all. Okay, so here Lao Shi wants you to see. Let's say this question. Okay, people is 我，星期天 is the time. So people and time at the front. Lao Shi use screen. So you see how Lao Shi help you to detect the 我 and the 星期天 is here. And after that, you need to find whether after the people and timing, you're going to find place. Is there any place involved in the sentence? Then you see there is a 家, there is a 去. Then you should know, you should say 去 first. 去, and then 家, isn't it? But what else? Sometimes you don't say 去家 like that. You say 去阿丽的家, 去朋友的家. Here, this is 朋友的家. So here it means that pergi rumah kawan. So here, this is the place. And then you're going to find what else. If the one that you have selected, you can circle. If Lao Shi is you, Lao Shi will use different shape. Fix in your mind. For example, people and timing, you use circle. Circle. So you akan circle 1, circle 2. Okay, and then tempat, maybe you use triangle. So you akan triangle, 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 triangle. Then finally, you akan nampak left with what? With a yao. And also 复习功课 that you have not put in any shape. So for the last 3, maybe you what? Rectangle. Then you akan nampak 复习功课 should be together. And this is an activity. So dia akan di belakang. So push to the back. And then you go and put all your triangle to tengah-tengah. And the people and timing you put at the front. And finally tinggal lagi satu, yao. So yao nak letak mana? Mahu. 我星期天要nak pergi. You cannot put 要 at the back. Of course, 老师kata, you can say 星期天我, no problem. Now, 老师 just do one because if not too many things to write here. Okay, so the first part, 我星期天我, you should know. This is boleh tukar. You can exchange. Okay, so finally the answer is out. So this is the way. So from here, all the black one, you don't have any guidelines or help. So you need to go and find. Firstly, find what? Sekarang nampak tak student? Can you see better now? Ada war, ada sing-sing, ini apa? Timing. So what to do? Circle, circle. The next, what to do? After that, after timing and people, what to find? Student, what to find the second step? After people and timing? Can Laoshi hear? Cari apa sekarang? Halo, cari apa?
Tempat.
Tempat. Places. So places, go and see. Or jia is the places. And always go and find other 去 atau 在 or not. They are all the words, linking words for the tempat. 去 atau 在. Here is 去. So 去 and then other 家. And then you'll see that 朋友的家 like that. And then finally, see 复习功课. Push to the back. And then tinggal lagi 要 and then put where is the right place. Okay, how? This is set 4. Okay, now we go back to set 1. Okay, next number. Okay, next number. Like you will read from answer first.
26.
Read from answer. Ready, go. Anis.
Anis的先生有8个兄弟姐妹。
Yes. Okay. Actually here, if Lao Shi wants, Lao Shi can put the yo in another color because at the front, you will look for people. Anis the 先生. So you may not get the yo together first. So maybe this one, Lao Shi will put in red first. This is like just now the yao. The situation is the same as the yao. Okay, so firstly, you're going to find people. Okay, like you tell me, Lao Shi, what is the people here? You see in green, right? Anis the
先生。
先生. This is people. Okay, or we say subject. Subject. And then the predicate, you see that this one, this is not the question of other tempat, other activity. This is just a statement to tell something. Okay, so finally, you see, what is a story? Story, you nampak tak ada 兄弟姐妹. 兄弟姐妹, adik-beradik, of course, you need to match them together, isn't it? 兄弟姐妹. And then you notice there is the numbering. Number. Pa. After pa, you say ke, because ke here is orang. Student, you need to know ke. It can be orang, it can be buah. Like 一个房间, sebuah bilik. Like that. Okay? 好的. So, 8个, you need to know, you're going to join. Then now, tinggal the yo. So where to put the yo? Here. Alright. So finally, explain, student. Apa maksud? Anis punya suami
mempunyai
ada
8 orang adik-beradik.
Yes. So when you do the susun ayat, okay, jangan kelam kabut. Just try step by step. Cari orang, cari masa. And then ada tempat tak? Ada aktiviti tak? If no, okay, no, mesti ada cerita lain. Okay, how? Next number, please. Let us see number 2. Okay, read from the
27.
okay, read from the answer first. Ready? Go. What number? Panjang. Also cannot hear clearly. You said
Sorry, terpuji. 27.
27. Okay, how?
Yeah.
I read from the answer. Azri. Take so long. Next number. Panjang, you yourself do it. Panjang, lai. Lai, no ready student, lai. Azri, Panjang, can you do it for Lao Shi, lai? Azri,
的女朋友是工程师，不是光挖机器。
Okay, lai, read properly. 工程师, say that.
工
工程
程师，
师. Okay, like
工程师，
finally, 会计师.
会计师，
Okay, do you know 工程师? What is 工程师?
这不知道是 I don't know.
Jurutera. What is 会计师? Accountant.
Accountant.
Okay, so here, from the answer first, student, you notice that this question is also a statement to tell something, to declare on something. It doesn't involve yang tempat dan kata kerja. So you need to know what is the people as a subject and the predicate tu adalah cerita apa. Okay, so beginning, like you see, Azri 的女朋友. So from here, you need to find what first? Orang. Okay, Azri 的女朋友. Okay, and then actually, if 老师 wants, 老师 can make the 工程师 in red. Okay, so that you see, this is a story actually. Okay, and the 会计师 also, 老师 can put in red. So these two, they are the storyline. Okay, is that clearer? Okay, so now, so left with the 4 words. So senang sikit, right? You see that Azri 的女朋友, right? Okay, then here you see there are the 是 dengan 不是. So normally, if with the 是 and 不是 means that first part, either you want to say just 是, second part 不是, or you can take turn. You can say 不是 apa-apa, 是 apa-apa. But the best one is 是 first, positive first, and then negative. That is the best. Okay, 好的. So the first part dia ialah 工程师, second part 不是会计师. Okay, can you explain? Azri explain. Azri punya
kawan.
teman wanita.
Azri punya teman wanita ialah
Jurutera.
bukan accountant.
Yes. Okay, next number. Quickly, like next number. Next number is quite the same. Tengok tak cerita? Okay, 老师 will guide you only. Okay, like 不是, you see again? And the 是. Okay, so here, who is the person? You see not? Ada Betty, ada 姐姐, and then 的. So Betty 的姐姐, Betty punya kakak. And then ada ceritanya bukan dan ialah. So 不是 bukan, and then you can see 家庭主妇. And then 他是 dia ialah 老师. You can change it. You nak kata 不是老师, 他是家庭主妇. Oh, okay. All right. Okay, next student. Next student.
30.
Huh?
30.
30. Can you please do it quickly? Lai baca jawapan. Pak Ali.
Pak Ali de Erzi
今年 tahun ini 31 岁. 31 岁. Okay, then 他 Okay, internet problem. 他还没有结婚. Okay, let us look at the people and timing. So people, you should find. Okay, student you kena pandai ingat macam ni. Pak Ali ada 儿子, dia mesti ada linking word of the third macam tu. You cannot say Pak Ali 儿子 like that. Sometimes can, but you need to find. If there is a third, then it will link Pak Ali 的儿子. So the story is actually the 儿子, it's not Pak Ali. Pak Ali 的儿子. Okay, and then timing. What is the time word? Time phrase. 今年. So either 老师kata you nak 今年 dulu or Pak Ali 的儿子 dulu, all okay. After that, what is the story? The story is 31 岁, umur 31 tahun. This is a story. And then actually we can end here. But if you want to extend your storyline, you can. 他还没有结婚. So 他 people first, and then what happened? Okay, 好的, come to the last one. Okay, may 老师 get next number?
Number 7.
Okay, 7 line. Read out the answer first.
Jason tự hào bên nhau sự Trung Quốc人
Mhm.
不是 Malaysian 人
马来西亚人。
马来西亚人
Okay, how? Explain first. Explain first. What you read? Jason punya
Jason pula
kawan
Jason
baik.
punya kawan baik
ialah
ialah
orang negara Cina. Chongguo is negara Cina. Orang negara Cina.
Jason punya kawan baik ialah orang negara Cina, bukan orang Malaysia.
Yes. Okay, then let us start to find. Okay, if you notice this question already, there are ren, ada Chongguo, ada Malaysia. Of course, students, you need to know that you akan join dulu before you start to finding people or what, nah? You should know. Chongguo ren, dia mesti sekali. You kena guna, I see what kind of symbol. Okay, you underline ke apa? Chongguo ren, you should be the same symbol. Malaysia ren, same symbol. And then ren with a comma, dia mesti adalah di tengah. This one you cannot change it. If we give you ren and a comma, you have to maintain the ren and a comma. Of course, dia akan jadi tengah-tengah antara two parts of the sentence. Okay, 好的. So you know already, 中国人, okay, 马来西亚人. You want to say Malaysia 人 first, 中国人 later, it's okay. Alright, then the main subject siapa? Who is the main subject? You pergi cari. Ada Jason. Then what? Ada 朋友. Ada how. So again, you kena tahu, you need to know, you akan guna the. Jason 的好朋友. So means that the main hero is the 好朋友, bukan Jason lagi. Is a Jason punya good friend. Okay, and then again, you will know that ada 是, ada 不是. Dia mesti one part. One part ialah 是, one part 不是. As 老师 said, the best one, you buat 是 dulu. And then 不是. But if you really want to change it, buat 不是, baru 是 also okay. Okay, but just that, yang 老师kata 是 dulu, 不是 later, dia lebih senang. Okay, like. So finally, student nampak Jason 的好朋友是 dia ialah 中国人, orang negara Cina, 不是马来西亚人. Okay, 好的, we are done with the set one. And 老师 hope you get to know some of the techniques and you remember them. It will help you. Okay.